Hey, White Tears, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this presentation. This is to cure any issues you're having on the air side of a Fire Lake Shenandoah furnace. Those burners are the greatest ever, as you've heard me say 100 times. But one thing, if your compressor's putting out dirt, a lot of your compressors have older tanks, so they're rusty inside. They put dirt and debris through the air lines. Also, especially in the summer, they're putting water through the lines. So you have a solenoid all day long on your waste oil furnace, opening and closing, opening and closing. It's a metal piston inside a brass housing and a spring, and they can get locked up due to your compressor putting things in it that shouldn't be. So here's the thing by Metalwork. I did some research and I tried several different dryers, several different attempted solutions, and haven't had great luck. I'm hoping this is the one. So this is a regulator, which you really wouldn't need for this because you're running whole shop air in, so we just crank the regulator up. But more importantly, it has a filter dryer. It's a water separator, I should say, not a dryer. It's a water separator, and it will filter the junk and debris out. And it's got an oiler in it. Fire Lake had the presence of mind way back when to tell you that an oiler is a great idea on the air side. So anyway, we have this product available. So far, so good. It's really working well for us. We have a customer that his furnace is 10 feet from the air compressor, so he loves shoving water through that air solenoid. And air solenoids aren't built for water, or they'd be called water solenoids. Feel me? Now make sure you like and subscribe. Again, it don't cost you a penny to subscribe, but I really appreciate if you do. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. God bless you. And if you don't know the Lord as your Savior, don't let the sun set on your lost soul. Thanks again. Have a great day.